Hey guys, I'm Tom.
I'm Vicki.
With the Carolina Travel Channel, and while we're down here in South Carolina, we went and tried out a cool restaurant. Check out my last video. But then we seen these places, so we're gonna stop in here and check out these old places. It's old living, how they used to live back in the day. I guess there's all kinds of little, like a little area where they lived back in the day. They got it all fixed up like it was then. I kind of like that bathroom. Does it work?
Oh, that's a thing.
That's cool. We got 2 picnic tables over there. This is Kings Mountain. We are in South Carolina. Pine tree's seen its better day. Cedar tree. Here's a map of it. Welcome to Kings Mountain State Park. Okay, cool. Cotton gin, garden, corn crib, vegetable garden, all the houses, the homestead. Outdoor cooking, smokehouse, outhouse, chicken coop, blacksmith. What's the private? Didn't I remember that's where they stored like their tools and farm stuff? I think. Bale of cotton. Look at that big thing. That's pretty cool. Cotton gin. See what? Oops. Yeah, I think it broke. Oh, blades? Yep. Whoa, don't break my neck. Shingles up on the roof like they did back in the day. I remember those. They put a horse on those. Round and round and round and round. Chop, chop, chop. Huh? This one be the blacksmith. Accusing of fire. One good thing, I'm glad to see they had safety features back in the day. That's good. I'm glad.